In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Yahoo Mail verification code issues in just 5 minutes. If you're having trouble receiving your verification code when trying to log in, don't worry. I've got several troubleshooting steps that you can follow to resolve this issue quickly and easily. To start, head over to Yahoo's login page. Once you're there, try signing in as you normally would. Now, if you find you're not receiving that crucial verification code, don't panic. Let's take the first simple step, which is to try resending the code. Sometimes delays occur, or network issues may interfere, so clicking Resend Code can often do the trick. If hitting resend doesn't solve the problem, it's worth checking your alternative or recovery email associated with your Yahoo account. Yahoo might have sent the verification code there instead. This is a common safety feature designed to help you recover access in case of login issues. Be sure to scan through your recovery email inbox thoroughly. Next, make sure that you're also checking your spam or junk folder. Occasionally, the verification code email might be misdirected there, especially if it's coming from a new or unfamiliar source. Email providers like Yahoo have strong filters to protect against spam, which can sometimes result in legitimate emails going astray. Another method to try is clearing your browser's cookies and cache, or using a different web browser altogether. Sometimes, browser settings or cache stored on your computer can interfere with processes such as email logins, and clearing them can refresh your session. If that doesn't help, switching to a different browser can bypass any browser-specific glitches. If you still haven't had any luck, don't forget to try signing in on a different device. This step is particularly useful if there's a device-specific issue blocking your verification emails. Sometimes, switching devices can provide a fresh environment for you to successfully log in. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues associated with Yahoo Mail verification codes. Whether it's through resending the code, checking alternative folders, clearing your cache, or trying another device, these techniques cover a range of potential solutions. I hope this guide helps you regain access to your Yahoo account smoothly and efficiently. If you still experience problems, consider reaching out to Yahoo's customer support for more personalized assistance. Thanks for watching, and good luck.